I am sweating my nut off.
Go on, Callan!
Hello and good morning. It's another beautiful foggy day here on the Isle of Man. I'm finally pulling my finger out and getting a bit of seat time. It's been a while. We've got another little Froy motocross today. So the last time I rode this track was actually my first time on the KTM. Looking forward to see how I've improved since. That was a while ago now. That was like start of the year. It seems to be clearing up. Better be anyway, otherwise I'm going to chin someone. Yes. Here's Livesy. Here's Quavers. No. No, they're all on eBay. Tash on them. Big salesman in the paddock, like.
Yeah, you got to pay for the racing.
Excuse me, you got a license for that?
No, I actually haven't. You got a license for yours?
No, have I fucked?
Look at yours.
Ah.
Look at that.
My Tash is superior over Quavers. Is like, that is pretty naughty though. It's coming in nicely, mate. That's what I always forget to check. I never remember to take that out. And then my air filter is chilling in a cooler box. There she is, sports fans. Got the marshals with us. Give us a wave. The man, the myth, the hemorrhoid. There's Kipper. Nice of you to show up, fella. Took your time, like. This is a crew here, there's no messing up the batty. Same brandy well. Titties on them. Yeah, I'm not going to look anything like that, but we'll give it our best.
Okay, so I didn't really explain it in the video. I filmed this whole video on the DJI and the external microphone that I was using just did not sound good. It kept clipping on the audio. But you're going to love it anyway because I'm just fucking brilliant, aren't I?
Shift it. Shift.
Give us a wave. Wave for the fans. Are you sore, like?
Yes.
So just ramble bush as well.
I am sweating my nut off. But yeah, Quavers went in the bush, pretty funny like, but it delayed us from going out. It's one tired man right there. Oh, proper bit of kit, go on. It's B-class, fellas. There's no chance I'm going in that group. I'll stick to me C. a bit of racing, that, Callan?
Yeah, boy.
Oh my days. Your boy's tired. An absolutely brilliant day. I was having a right little scrap with Callum at the end there. Obviously not my usual type of video. Well, the video should be back to normal now anyway. But yeah, if you watched this far for some reason, thank you very much. Catch you at the next one.
Oh.